Ioja's Rosemary-Chicken Pine Nut Pasta Dinner. Equipment and all ingredients needed: 3 stovetop burners, 1 frying pan, 1 knife, 1 cutting board, 1 small bowl, 1 indoor grill, 1 Ziploc bag, 2 pots, 1 colander, 1 potato peeler, 1 large boneless chicken thigh, 1 small carrot, 1 orange, 1/4 large white onion, 1/2 cup fresh basil leaves, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons pine nuts, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons white pepper, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan, 1 tablespoon minced ginger paste, 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary, 1 teaspoon minced garlic paste, 1 teaspoon dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, short pasta of choice. At least 2 hours prior to cooking, place sesame oil, 1 tablespoon white pepper, rosemary, and ginger in a resealable plastic bag. Slice orange in half and add juice to bag. Close bag and mix ingredients thoroughly. Reopen bag and add chicken. Reseal bag and shake, coating chicken completely. Place in refrigerator until ready to cook. Approximately 25 minutes prior to serving, rinse basil and drip dry. Slice onion into thin strips. Rinse and peel carrot, set aside. In small bowl, combine olive oil, 1 tablespoon white pepper, garlic. Tare basil leaves and add to mixture. Stir until completely combined. Set aside. Start pasta water according to directions on package. Remove chicken from refrigerator and place on grill on medium heat. Melt butter in small pot on medium heat. Once melted, stir in onions. Add pasta to water. Begin toasting pine nuts in small frying pan on low heat. Turn over chicken. Add carrots to onion. Mix thoroughly. Add brown sugar and nutmeg. Combine thoroughly and simmer on low heat. Remove pine nuts from heat and set aside. Strain pasta and return to pot. Add basil mixture and pine nuts. Combine thoroughly and set aside. Remove chicken from grill. Slice into strips. Plate. Add Parmesan to pasta. Combine thoroughly. Plate pasta and onion carrot mixture. Serve and happy eating.